Tonight we have our Hello Summer Festival. It is the second year doing this, and we are so excited because it's going to also have the first in our region drone show. Hello Summer is just a way to kick off the summer. You know, school's out, let's kick back on a Friday night. We've got free entertainment for families. The Jared Stout Band is about to go on. We're gonna have laser tag, inflatables, just food and beverages, things that you wanna have on a nice evening. It is a free festival. The only thing you would buy is food and beer. Other than that, you can bring your own food, or if you wanna, patron all of the awesome vendors that we have, go for it, but it is free. Come out, have fun. The goal is just to bring our community together. There's just so many things in this world that's divided. Let's bring us all together. At the end of the day, we all just want to have fun and be together with our families.